And the golden spike.
Let's go in! Panood ko yan ah.
There's a song that's inside of my soul. It's the one that I try to write over and over again. I'm awakened in infinite hope. But you sing to me over and over and over again. So I lay my head back down and I lift my hands and pray to be who was I can, to be who was I know now you're my home. Sing to me the sound of the stars, of your galaxy dancing and laughing again. When it feels like my dreams so far, sing to me of the plans that you have for me over again. So I lay my head back down and I lift my hands and pray to be only as I am, to be only as I am. My I can't